Hello everyone, it's lecture number 4 and we will be doing the register student, promote student and register a teacher and register a user in this. I will try my best to cover all this for in the one video. First of all, we will go through the registered student. Registered students, we have all the list from here. So let's go. It's look, can you can change from here the manage student page. So here's come the manage student. So here's make the check session included and the connection, because we are dealing with the database, so you have to put the connection over here, include the connection. Get action on delete. It is a delete action. Whenever you click over here the delete option over here, this one, it deletes a student, like it is deleted, like name Zabiullah. So sorry, Shahsawar Khan. So it is being deleted. So whenever you submit an action on delete, it gets the request and delete get the student from the submitted and runs the query over here. Connection, it made the connection to the query database and it's the query over here, delete from the student, where the student ID is equal to student ID deleted. So next is the include all the styles and style sheets, Google Apps. Here's the student manage form students, a table for the student. It is the th for the student, like this overall on the top. For adding new, we have href link over here to the add student.php page. We'll be covering that. So here's the database query for the all the list over here. Select the student ID, name, father name, gender, session name, department, program, semester roll number, password, and from the student data inner join the session, and session ID is equal to student.session. Join the department ID from where student.department ID. So here where you are joining the primary key, you are getting the foreign key of the other table, foreign key which is a primary key in its own table, like department ID is a foreign key in the student table, but it is a primary key in its department. So you are giving the reference over here, session ID from the student ID, session ID, and doing all the way putting the foreign keys and the primary keys together to get the accurate data. While it's while loop for all the list, how much students you have, so it fetch all the students over here. You have to put the while query over here, while loop over here, list each and every thing you are fetching in the query over here. You have to make a variable for them, MySQL fetch array, and it's fetch all the data array in the result. So now you can echo it over here. Echo is for the printing on each line, student name, father name, gender, and all the stuff. For managing and editing, like here, the edit button and the delete button is over here. It says whenever a student clicks on edit, the admin click on the edit, it must pass the user ID, student ID of this person. So it is passing what student ID passing edit.php to the page edit.php, but with the student ID of this one. Like if I am clicking Khanzada, so it will Khanzada, like here it's the full name, Joseph and Khanzada, okay, and name and the BA. So it will go to the edit with the user ID of this one. You are editing this one, so you have to pass the user ID over here. Just put the question mark over here and send the data. After that, you have to delete. If you have to delete student, click over here. So whenever you click, the student ID sends the student. It sends the student ID which you are deleting, and also send an action of delete. So it goes and run. You have to put the link, or also it's on manage.php page, manage student.php. So it runs by its own, and it deletes one of the student which you are deleting it. So from there you can get the student ID. You are passing the student ID, and you are also passing the get action to delete it. So now we are done with the registered students. We have done with the add, edit, and delete function, and now we will go to promote student. promote student. Let's check it code. Go to XAMPP docs, project name, and here it is. What are we dealing with? Manage promote. So we are dealing with the manage promote.php. First of all, let's check it out. Select the session, department of the student, in which program he is been studying, which semester is in, and to which semester it is being promoted. He is being promoted, and make it a reset. So, make it a submit. Okay. So let's check this out. The promote student code. First of all, include. Then it's the form submission. For the form submission, you have to go and do some. Here is a little bit Ajax function, and we will be doing this step by step. First of all, come to the form section. This is the form section. First of all, you have to select the session which is coming from the database. Second, you have to select the department which is also coming from the database but depends on the selected session. So okay, then you have to select the value from the Ajax. Okay, so now here's when you submit a department when you submit a department computer science, so the select programs comes from the department you have selected. Let's suppose I select IR, so here will come international relationship. If I select computer science, here will get BSc and MSc. So whenever you select a department over here, look over here, let me tell you, on change. Yes, here's it. Whenever you change anything in this select section, it pass a request to the Ajax function. Select Ajax program. This is a function name, and it sends the value you have been selected. So let's come here to the program. The first one, function select Ajax program, from where we are passing it on change. It pass the data over here, get the data ID, then pass a Ajax request URL to which page you are passing Ajax select program. Ajax select program. Here you are passing the data. What are you passing? You are passing the department ID. So when you pass the department ID over here, the request, you get the requested department ID from here, and then you do what? Select the program from the database. Which database? From program where the department ID is equal to the department ID. From where are you passing it? You are passing it from here. So you get the data from here, all the rows, columns, and you make a response back there. So when you make a response, it get the response into a HTML resets, and then you say in the next line you say select sub this dot value, and all the value where from here is being placed over here. So this is how the Ajax work. Then there is the semester. You select the semester, then you select the promote, and then you make the request. When you submit it, like other form, the data is submitted over here. If it is submit session, the post post session has been the data of the post session is being passed in the session variable, the department this, and all the data is then being inserted into updated into the database of that student which you are promoting him. So we are done with the registered student and promote student. In next video we will be doing the registered teachers and registered user, which is a short it's easy. We already have done this in the student, but we will doing it a small review of it. Thank you. Please like and share if you like the video. Try to subscribe my channel also. Thank you.